Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to open and replace the RAM sticks of this Lenovo B460. This is the laptop that we are going to open, and I will teach you how you can easily replace its RAM stick without going to any laptop shop to pay huge amount. So let's start, let's fix it. But before this, if you are new on my channel or on my page, please do subscribe and hit the like icon. And here we go, let's start. So here we are on the back side of this laptop, and let me show you the screws that I am mentioning you. This is the first, this is the second, this is third, and this is fourth, fifth and sixth. You can just easily open these screws with the help of screwdriver. So I have already opened it to save the time of you and your MBs. Obviously MBs matter. So I am going to remove it, and as I already told you, the screws were open already. So I am going to placing it down, and this is the back, this is the hard disk, and you can open it and remove the hard disk and replace whatever you want. And this is its Wi-Fi card. It's not so difficult to open this kind of laptops, and you can manage them at your home without spending a lot of money on them. And this is the way, this is the RAM stick. And remember, this Lenovo laptop has two slots. One is this, the second is this. One is empty. If you want to increase the memory, you can put another RAM into it. So these are the jacks, and this is the jack. Simply this is, you just push it back and these barriers will be open, and here it is. So simple, it is not a difficult task. So this is the RAM that I have plugged out from this laptop. And similarly, if you want to replace this hard drive, this is the hard drive, and this is CMOS that is present. Put it back. It's not a difficult task, just match the cuts. Remember, the one cut is on RAM and one is on its RAM slot. So here we go, and I am going to put it back in its slot. Not a difficult task. Put it and just press it down. Here it is, and just its cover back on it, adjust it, and just use your screwdriver to close it properly. Thanks for watching.